loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cherry and today I'm going to be doing a summer bold look for you guys. Okay y'all, so starting off with our Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil, we're going to start with brows today. So first I'm going to start with just combing out my brows, then I'm going to fill them in. Now I'm actually going to do my brows off camera, then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final look. I know guys, I just really do not like doing my brows on camera. I like to be really concentrated. So if you guys are interested in seeing a video on how I do my brows, just like this video and comment below and I will upload a video just about brows. Okay loves, now the brows are done. I'm just going to go in with my concealer here and I'm going to apply that all over my lid to prepare it for my shadows. And to set that concealer, I'm going to go in with this powder from Radiance and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over my lid as well. Okay guys, going in with our Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, we're going to take this brown color here and also this orange color and we're going to use those as our transition shade. Now we're going to go in with our In the City palette by Maybelline and Makeup Shayla. We're going to take that black shade and apply it right in our crease. Alright y'all, so after applying that black shade, now we're going to go in with our blending brush to blend that black shade out and get rid of those harsh lines. Like you. Okay guys, so after blending, I'm actually going to go off camera and complete my right eye and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how to do the left eye. As you can see, I've completed this eye and I'm going back in with that orange shade and I'm just going to go ahead and reapply that to my crease. Now going in with my Morphe 350M palette, I'm going to take this orange shade here. And I'm going to put that shade right in my brow bone area and go ahead and blend that shade out. Going in with that brown shade from our Desert Dust palette, I'm going to apply that in my crease. Then I'm going to go back into my In the City mini palette and I'm going to take this black shade here and I'm going to apply that on my outer corner and also at the beginning of my lid as well. And after we get done with that, we're going to go back in with our In the City palette and take that purple shade and apply that right next to those black shades. And we're just going to pack that color on until we get to our desired look. Now guys, you don't have to use the same palettes that I'm using. You can use whatever you have, and you can also switch the colors up to whatever you like. Okay guys, going back in with my HUDA Beauty palette, I'm going to take this glitter shade and I'm going to apply it in the center of my eye. Then I'm going to go back in with this beautiful pink shade. I'm going to put that in the center of my eye as well. Then blend everything together. Okay y'all, so now going back in with that orange shade from our Morphe 350 palette, we're going to apply that right in our tear duct. And I see this color a lot. Now for the summertime, this is really a trendy look to do a pop of color in your tear duct. So I chose orange for this look, but you can choose whatever color you like. Now I'm going in with a purple liner. This one is from Hard Candy, and I'm just going to apply that right on my lower lash line. Now going in with my liner, I'm going to use my line Stiletto by Maybelline. You can use whatever liner you have, and I'm just prepping my eyes for lashes. Okay guys, so I'm applying my lashes now. I know I did not show you guys where I got these lashes from or the name because I got them off of Amazon. I'm going to look in my orders and I will link these lashes below if you are interested. Okay guys, now I'm just going to continue with my regular foundation routine. If you guys want a separate video showing you guys my foundation routine, please comment below and like this video as well. So I'm going to come back and talk with you guys at the end of this look. Okay guys, so that completes this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
No one can do it like you.